Supplements you may need. When deciding to be vegan, it's interesting, but everyone around you will quickly become nutrition scientists. They'll worry about your iron, your vitamin B and your vitamin D, but eat a 12-pack of donuts, or a whole package of bacon, and no one will say one word to you. In fact, they'll celebrate it. The best defense is a good offense. Therefore, it is important, if you want to be healthy no matter your diet, to understand the nutrients you need and what and why you may need supplementation. The fact of the matter is, every single diet, to be healthy, needs all the following. Protein, from 5 to 8% of calories should be protein, with up to 10% being fine. Some people who are pregnant, healing from illness, or are bodybuilders may need to put this figure to 20. But more than that tends to start causing health problems. Carbs, if you're eating a healthy vegan diet, most of your calories will come from whole carbohydrate. This does not include carbs from things like processed food, cakes, cookies, white bread and table sugar, of course. Fats, a low-fat diet is good for you. You need some natural fat that's already in your food to help process vitamins. Natural fat found in bananas, avocados, nuts, and seeds is all your body needs. You should try to keep this number lower than 20%, with an ideal rate of about 10% of total calories. Minerals, vitamins, everyone needs to ensure that they're getting most of their vitamin and mineral needs through their food. There is virtually no research that shows most supplementation even works except for vitamin B12 and D3. Check with your healthcare provider, but supplementing with normal amounts of B12 and D3 can't hurt you. Fiber, this is what helps your body eliminate toxins in the form of bowel movements. If you're not eating enough, that can be a serious problem and cause constipation. You need a lot more of this than typical guidelines say, but lucky for you, if you're eating a plant-based, unprocessed, vegan diet, you're getting enough. Water, this is something that most people aren't getting enough of. You should strive for 1/2 to 1 ounce of water per body weight to ensure that your vitamins and minerals can dissolve and process in your body, and that you are sufficiently hydrated to keep your kidneys healthy. The very best way to know for sure is to get regular blood tests and take the right type of vitamins and minerals for support. Another nutrient that you need that is often not mentioned is selenium. Thankfully, nature gives us the Brazil nut, of which you can eat 1 a day and get plenty of this vital nutrient that helps protect thyroid function. If your doctor determines that you do need any type of vitamin or mineral supplementation after a blood test, take the type they tell you to take to ensure best results. Reasons people become vegan. There is a myriad of reasons that people decide to become vegan. But, most of the time, people decide to become vegan for either health reasons, or because they want to stop the promotion of factory farms which are harming animals and ruining our environment. You'll hear a lot of reasons, but the good thing is, it doesn't even matter why. All that matters is that people who eat a vegan diet often feel healthier, and they are creating a smaller footprint on the earth at the same time. Woody Harrelson, probably not someone you'd expect to be vegan and often seen with his shirt off in his movie roles, he's been a vegan since he was 24 years old. He says he does it for his health because any other diet makes him feel lack of energy and a lot of brain fog. He said it was hard to do and he started with dairy first. Mayim Bialik, the neuroscientist who also stars as a brain scientist on the hit series The Big Bang Theory, credits veganism for keeping her healthy, her kids healthy, and the earth healthy. She has a book out called Mayim's Vegan Table. You can get it from Amazon. Venus Williams, so much for believing that someone who is athletic and muscular can't be vegan. Venus went vegan when she realized she had an autoimmune illness and wanted to keep playing tennis. She eats a raw vegan diet and feels amazing and credits it to her being able to continue being active. Alicia Silverstone, author of The Kind Diet. Alicia is vegan for the animals but has found that it's also good for her health. She feels better, can eat more, keeps a steadier weight range, and is also helping to save the earth by being a conservationist. But she gives a lot of credit to the diet for keeping her youthful, and her skin clears too, and reports that she doesn't have to use her asthma inhaler anymore either. Giselle Bündchen, this is a supermodel who has gone vegan because she wants to help protect the environment. The waste from factory farms really bothers her, and she wants to do her part to help as well as teach her children healthy practices for themselves and the entire earth. Now that you've seen their stories, what's yours? Why do you want to become vegan? Why are you vegan? There is no right or wrong way to become vegan. There is no reason you have to go cold turkey either. For some people it's a gradual transition, for others it's a sometimes thing to get into shape, for even more others it's a thing they do because they feel it's right for the animals and the earth.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's